Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. Today's video is probably one of the most exciting videos I'm ever gonna film because this big old box came all the way from Korea from the one and only YouTube superstar Sunny DAHYE. You guys, what is even real life right now? Like, I cannot wrap my head around that I got this package from the one and only Sunny. Like, guys, she is a YouTube superstar. We have been connecting over Instagram. We have now moved to Kakao Talk. I'm sure you guys all know who Sunny is, but if you are not familiar with her, please go check her out. You are genuinely supporting one of the most kindest humans on this platform, and I've connected with a lot of creators on this platform and everyone is so nice, seriously. But I just feel like with Sunny, she's the type of person to go the extra mile for you. She's that kind of girl and I absolutely love her. And honestly, like, the fact that she sent me this box, the fact that we're like talking every day on Kakao Talk is just so wild to me. So if you guys already follow Sunny, just know that you are supporting like a genuine nice person. I absolutely love her, guys. And she was the one that was like, can I send you a box? And I was like, can I send you a box? Okay, so we end up sending each other some goodies. She actually did unbox what I got her in her vlog. I was able to give her a red dragon palette. That was actually my last red dragon palette and I'm so glad I had one left that I could give it to her. So yeah, if you guys want to see what I got her, I'll leave her video down below. Maybe you already saw it, but it's just so exciting. She's just so kind, guys. So this box literally just came this morning and I was like, you know what, I was about to go out, but I'm like, no, I need to unbox this and show you guys. I have no idea what's in here, but this box is so big. Oh, I already feel like spoiled. This is like Christmas for me. This is my Christmas present. I'm so excited. So let's unbox. This is my Pom Pom Purin box cutter. Isn't it so cute? I have no idea what's in here. Girl, Sunny, thank you so much for sending this. I feel like it's Christmas, guys. I'm so excited. What could be in this huge box? Well, I know one thing. She did mention one thing. It's a contact lens. That's all I know. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, she wrapped it so pretty. Oh, she wrapped it so pretty as well, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this box is so big. It's literally Christmas. She wrapped it so pretty. Oh my gosh, I did not wrap mine like this for her. Oh my gosh, okay, where to start? I'm just gonna grab like the first things I see. So this on this side, I think we have some snacks. Ah, Pokemon. Okay, so the first one is this Pokemon mystery thing. I'm gonna just open everything now with you guys. Okay, I love Pokemon. Oh, is it a bath bomb? Oh no, it's not a bath bomb. I don't know why I thought it was a bath bomb. Like, doesn't that look, is it a bath? It's a bath bomb. It is a bath bomb. It's a bath bomb. Yeah, I was right. I thought it was a Pokeball because, oh, this smells good. This is perfect because, you know, Pokemon just, I don't know if it's finished, but you know, Ash became Pokemon Master, Pokemon Champion, what is it called? Oh, this smells so good. Oh, I love that. I'm gonna take a bath tonight, okay? Sunny's telling me to take a bath tonight. That was the first thing, and then, oh, another one, another mystery thing. Oh, I think these are from Japan because she recently went Japan. Okay, this one is a Kuromi, I don't know what, it's a bath bomb as well. It's a Kuromi. Wait, I kind of want to unbox this for TikTok, but there are 4 options of different Kuromi bath bombs. But yeah, I'm gonna unbox on TikTok, so follow me on TikTok. Okay, next up we have, oh, she wrote notes on it as well. So this whole mood and aesthetic reminds me of you. I tried this product before and I really love it. Perfect for me time kind of day. I learned a lot about cruelty-free products. Oh, okay, I've heard of this brand. I'm actually using one of their products right now. So this is their Thanks Berry, which is so cute because Mr. Berry and this, yes, this girl, this packaging is so me. Isn't that so pretty? Girl, I would display this. Should I open it? Yeah, I think I will. Oh, that's so cool. So you just take it out. That's actually quite nice because you know how sheet mask, it's like 1 by 1 in plastic wrapping. You get 1 day 1 mask. How many is in here? Okay, I don't know how many is in here, but you know what I mean? That's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I love this packaging. And it says thanks Berry, Mr. Berries. Okay, so cute. Next up we have, I made this mask strap for you. Wanted to make you something cute and girly for you to wear. She made me something. You know what I mean? She goes the extra mile, guys. Like, every YouTuber is busy. I'm also busy too. But like, she is Sunny DAHYE. Like, she is so busy. How can she make me something? Even the packaging she put it in was so cute. But I wanted, she knows me so well. I was literally gonna make an order because there's like this New Zealand brand that makes something similar. Girl, look how talented she is. This is going straight onto my keys. That is going straight onto my keys. That is so cute. Oh, this is cute. A mask strap. Okay, we don't actually wear masks anymore in New Zealand. It's not mandatory, only on like I think flights. But girl, I'm gonna start wearing my mask. This is so cute. This girl is talented. Here's another one. Got this at the biggest vending machine gacha in the world at, okay, somewhere in Japan, and immediately thought of you. The concept is a cat in a box. Chunky one, so cute. Hope you like it. Okay, let's open it. Oh, oh, that kind of looks like Tubby. That is so cute. Does he come out? Oh yeah, he comes out. Oh, oh, that looks like Tubby. And then here's this one. Hey, look. Hey, okay, I'm gonna write it here. I can't pronounce many things. Okay, it's a local Korean brand. It's one of my favorite because they're super girly and dainty. Notice you like these type of accessories in your videos too. Girl, you know me too well. Oh, this is pretty. So this one is a rose gold ear cuffed. And then these are pearl earrings. Girl, I love my pearls. And I actually do need more silver, so this is so cute. Thank you, oh my gosh. This box is never ending, guys. Oh my goodness, okay. This is the next one I see. I think it's like a reusable bag, which, oh girl, I need this kind of stuff. This is gonna be my grocery bag, and it's huge, and it's so cute, and then there's so many, guys. I love it. Next up, we got some snacks. We got, I don't know what this is called, but it's like the chocolate mushroom. I love this. Harry loves this, girl. This is gonna be gone by the end of the day. Okay, there's more. I should have, there's more. So she says she grew up eating choco songi. So that's what it's called, choco songi. And still love it until today. I love all your childhood snacks you sent me. Hope you love these ones. I sent you, babe. Oh, I love this, girl. And girl, you sent me a lot. But girl, the 4 boxes, me and Harry, this is gonna be gone. Gone, gone, gone. Oh, and then she gave me a contact lens. This one's from Lens Town, lightly mellow. This one is in Aurora Brown. I have tried Lens Town before, but I haven't tried Aurora Brown. I don't think I've had this one. I have a different one though, but exciting. Another contact lens to use. There's also a little contacts case. This one, oh, for me and Harry. I think this is from Japan. I saw it, I literally just watched her vlog this morning. There's cats on it. So one is a wine red, matches my nails, and then one is a navy. This is so cute. Okay, moving to the side. There's seriously so much in it. Next we have, when this came out, the whole of Korea was going crazy to find it. Shrimp Cracker Truffle Edition. Wanted you to try some hype Korean snacks. Girl, this sounds expensive. We have more snacks. This one, when marshmallow meets candy. It's Malang Cow. So good. Oh, interesting. Marshmallow candy. It's really cute though. This is what it looks like. Then we have, oh, this is the one thing I knew she was gonna send me because she asked me about it. Vivienne Westwood has contact lenses. Isn't that crazy? I probably will do a video, or like a TikTok video on this, so I'm not gonna open that. And then we have, this is what I needed. This is what I needed. It's a 2023 calendar. Okay, she wrote, cutest calendar I've seen during my Tokyo trip. Got one for myself. Are we matching? It's so cute, it pops out too. Now we have twinning calendars. Yes girl, I want to twin with you. This is so cute. Should I? Okay, I'm gonna... Oh, is that how it works? Wait, it says Sanrio. It's Sanrio. I didn't know it was Sanrio. Okay, that makes it even cuter. Like I already thought it was cute, but like girl, it's Sanrio. This is so pretty. We have some stickers. I love me some stickers. So we first got this one, Mr. Berries. A lot of cat. Okay, she knows me. She knows I love my cats. More stickers. How cute, how cute. Okay, I finished one side. That's how deep the box goes, guys. So let's move over to this side. Oh wait, there's more contacts. Okay, there's another Vivienne Westwood. Okay, she says, this one by far is the most unique design from the collection. It's green, so I thought it was perfect. I love a green lens. Oh, and then she wrote a note for one of my favorite lenses from Lenstown. So Lenstown is a competitor of Oland. I personally use Lenstown more because of their designs are more wider and they are so moist and super comfy to wear. I can totally see why, because Oland's, yeah, it's not the most comfortable. Where is the other one I put down? Where is it? There's just too many stuff. Yeah, she sent me Aurora Pink and Aurora Brown. The pink one is so pretty. I will wear these, okay? I'll let you guys know when I wear them. So 2 Lenstown. We have Harper Christine, One and Only. So One and Only Christine is one of my favorite lines from this brand. Harper Christine and One Young from IVE is the brand ambassador, and she wore this line. I was sold. Okay, I actually have tried Harper Christine as well. I really do love them, but I'm excited to try this because personally I found Harper Christine, their lenses were too big. But now that my makeup style has changed, I think I might like it again. But Harper Christine is really comfortable. I'm gonna do a video on this one too. I'm gonna do a lot of videos. Thank you, girl. You're just giving me content. You're giving me content for days. This one, by far my favorite green contacts out there. Ooh, this one is also from Lenstown. This is Coconut. I got so many contacts to try. Thank you so much. Okay, this is a My Melody hair clip. She says, saw that you mentioned Sanrio, one of your IG stories. This is a clip from your hair when you do your makeup. Oh, thought it'd be cute for your get ready with me videos. Girl, you're gonna see this in every video, not just get ready with me. This is so cute, and it has, girl, she has pearls. My Melody, she's got pearl on her. Oh, I feel so spoiled, guys. I feel so spoiled. Okay, here we have a card. Okay, this is, I'm gonna read this in my own time. She just wrote a little message on the back that's just for me. We have these cutie girl, how did you know I love mystery boxes? I'm gonna film this for TikTok too. Like I said, she's just giving me all the content. But they're so cute. Had to get these for your fur babies. They're so cute. These are the options you can get. We have a hair clip, a claw clip. So from the side, so pretty. I love me some bows. Oh, this is another one of that cow candy. I've never tried this before. We have another hair clip, can't pass on Pikachu. When in doubt, get Judy bow. Oh, you're so sweet. I love Pikachu. Everything is so cute, guys. So what I sent her was like stuff that was made in New Zealand, because I feel like in Korea you can get anything and everything. Everything's so cute there. New Zealand, we can't compare. She also travels a lot too. Anyway, okay, we got some socks. These are so cute. Kind of looks like ballerina shoes. And then we have these ones with bears on it. And then we have these with like, oh, these are strawberry ones. I love this one. And then we have this one with like bunnies and carrots or pink. Okay, this one, Love Beach. It's one of Korea's popular chocolate biscuits. It's a bit dangerous because they're so addictive. Next thing you know, they're done. I think I might have tried this before. She sent me 2 boxes. That's so nice. Next up, we have some makeup, I think. It is from a brand called Eggy. But I got 3 shades. So these are Air Hug Vegan Lip Tints. This one is Burnt Pumpkin. Okay, I thought these was lipsticks, but it's liquid lipsticks. Oh, so pretty. This shade is Coral Fox. Coral Fox, so pretty. This shade is a rose. Oh, these are really pretty. The formula is kind of interesting. Like, it's between like a liquid lipstick and a lip tint. Those are the 3 shades, so pretty. I'm gonna test these out. I'm so excited. We have a Laneige eyelash curler. So this is her #1 holy grail eyelash curler. Tried so many over the years, always go back to this one. Interesting, because I feel like people love the Shiseido one. Decided to try this out. Then we have Perfect for Healing Vlog Theme. Ooh. Oh, this reminds me of my childhood. You scratch out the color. I'm so gonna do this. I love this type of stuff. You'll see it in a vlog. Girl, this is my favorite. This one is my favorite. So she says, not your average choco chips. This one has mochi inside. This one my favorite. Let me know if you like. We'll send more over. Girl, this is my favorite too. I tried this, I think, first time last year. Love it. I love mochi inside of my cookies. Love it. This is so good. And the last thing we have in here is a, what is it called? A pop socket. So it says jeju, oranges and cat are dream combo. Thought they were so cute. It's rare to find 3 cats on a grip talk in Korea, so I had to pick this one up for you. This is so cute. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh, but that's everything. Thank you so much, Sunny. Like, honestly, I'm so excited to like dive into everything. There's just so many things to unpack, to use. I'll let you know how I like everything, but I know I'll love everything because I just feel like we have a similar style. So thank you so much, Sunny. Like, oh, thank you. I'm sure a lot of my subscribers are just like me, who are big fans of you, always supporting you, and you are literally the most sweetest person ever. I just feel so lucky that we've been able to connect. But yeah guys, that was the unboxing. I will have Sunny's channel down below just in case that there is that slim chance you have not heard of Sunny before, which is I don't think so. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll go ahead and see you in my next video. Bye.